Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without any of the headaches. Today, we've got a battle of the smartphones, the Apple iPhone 12 mini on the left and the Motorola Moto G5G on the right. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. On the left, we have the iPhone 12 mini, tiny but mighty, and on the right, the Moto G5G, big and bold. Let's dive into the details and see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk price. The iPhone 12 mini is going to set you back $320. That's right, folks, for the price of a small island in the middle of nowhere, you can own this pint-sized powerhouse. On the other hand, the Moto G5G is a more wallet-friendly $249. With that extra $71, you could probably buy a fancy dinner or, a couple of avocado toasts. Your choice. Compatibility is crucial, especially if you've got a carrier you love or tolerate because they're the only option in your area. The iPhone 12 mini is unlocked and ready to mingle with pretty much any carrier you throw at it, GSM or CDMA. The Moto G5G, while not quite the social butterfly, still supports major 4G US carriers and is ready for 5G with T-Mobile and Verizon. It's like the friend who's cool with everyone but has a special connection with a select few. Let's talk performance. The iPhone 12 mini comes with Apple's A14 Bionic chip, which is basically the Usain Bolt of processors. Meanwhile, the Moto G5G is rocking the Snapdragon 480, which is more like your high school track star, fast but maybe not Olympic level. But hey, both will get you through your day without breaking a sweat. Camera time. The iPhone 12 mini has a pretty solid camera, but let's be real, it's nothing revolutionary. The Moto G5G, on the other hand, boasts an advanced 48 megapixels camera system. That's right, 48 megapixels. You could probably zoom in on a flea on a dog's back and still see it clearly. Plus, it has a dedicated macro vision lens, so you can capture all those tiny details you never knew you cared about. Now let's talk displays. The iPhone 12 mini has a 5.4-inch screen, which is great if you have tiny hands or just miss the days of compact phones. The Moto G5G, however, serves up a massive 6.5-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. That's right, folks, 120 Hz. It's smoother than a baby's bottom and perfect for scrolling, gaming, or just staring at because it's so dang pretty. Battery life is where things get interesting. The iPhone 12 mini is tested for battery health and guaranteed to have a minimum capacity of 80%. Not bad, but the Moto G5G comes with a massive 5,000 milliamp hours battery that'll last you more than a full day. You could probably survive a zombie apocalypse with this thing, assuming zombies are really slow and you need to call for help a lot. Both phones have received praise from users, but they cater to different needs. Reviewers love the iPhone 12 mini for its compact size, smooth performance, and good condition despite being refurbished. However, some users have reported issues with the screen and battery. On the other hand, the Moto G5G is appreciated for its excellent battery life, smooth performance, and great value for money, although some users have concerns about pre-installed apps and performance compared to higher-end models. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 12 mini is small, sleek, and packs a punch, while the Moto G5G is big, bold, and ready to take on the world. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. If you're an Apple fan and love compact phones, the iPhone 12 mini is your jam. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse with a killer camera and epic battery life, the Moto G5G is calling your name. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another comparison. Until next time, shop smart and stay savvy. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description below.